Welcome back. This video I'm going to show you how to add CSS styles to our web page and make it look good. And let's review the content we have covered so far. Flask introduction, creating the basic application, HTTP template, adding functionality, Python code, testing the application. And now we are going to cover the point 6, adding CSS styles to the template. So adding CSS styles. If you see the tree structure, this is where I'm going to add the CSS file under the static folder. So now I have created a static folder, and now I'm going to add a CSS file which is hello.css under the static folder. Hello.css. So now I see a hello.css file under the static, hello.html file under the templates, and buffer and the main.py and the main directory. Now I have opened hello.css file. I need a base style to add it to the template. So let's run the code. So this is our main application, how it looks like without the CSS styles. And now we got to add some CSS styles to this page and make it look good. So if you see, I am searching w3s w3schools.com, and here they gave us some example to create style to the label. So text, let's try this. If you see, it has div header 1h. So they have created, like, over here this is the header. Now they created a header with naming h1. So to change the color on the header, it has CSS used a label with header, open parenthesis and closing parenthesis, and then started adding the elements in it. Let's do the same. What is .html? I had a label, going to use the same color label for all the labels. I don't need border for that, so I'm not going to color. I'm going to use violet. Save it. For that, I have to point the CSS style to this page. I have to point my HTML page to the CSS file. Do that. This is okay. So now it did work. So this is how how we use the link. I will change the location, add it on the top. So reference link, styles sheet. H reference is the URL for static. File name equals hello.css. The URL for is for the reference link. Here we are pointing the hello.css file under the static folder. Here it looks for the static folder and then goes inside the folder or directory and then looks for the hello.css file. What it is doing. Yeah, so it is doing its job. Good. Now I have to make arrangements. So this really looks bad. So now I am going to so here they did add the padding. Padding is nothing but the space. Yes, padding. I want the padding to be right. Now if I change it to 20, yeah, so if you see the get result is moving because I'm assigning the padding space between on the right side of the right side of the word. So yeah, this is the space it is going to change. I really have to change this. Now let it be. Okay, so now what I did was I did change the color. Now if I want to change the font, just go the font. So if you see here somewhere, okay, font did not change here. I'm going to change the font. Okay, font theme, font family, Time Romans, font style normal. Okay, what I'm going to do is font family. Now this is good. Okay, so this is 280%. If I go to 100%, this is how it looks. Okay, so what else I can change? Maybe this really looks good. If I want to change this color, I only need don't worry about that now. So I'm going to change the text area style. How do I do that? So this is the border I'm looking for. Okay, so basically this is gives me the result. So this is it. This is a application, and I did add some styles. And the simple style I can add some. Okay, yeah, this is good. Okay, so this is it. What I'm trying to say, and this is the end of this video. In the next video, I'm going to finish this series by deploying this application on the virtual environment. And hope you like this video and you came to know how to add the CSS styles to the HTML page. Just to remind what we have done so far. Let's So I have added a hello.css file under the static directory, and then I added some label style, say a style. Save.submit did not work, so I'm deleting. So I have added style for the text area and for the label. So this is a simple style I have added, and if you want, you can add more by going to the websites just like w3schools.com. We have many other sites that you can find online. And so this is pretty much, and I have tagged the CSS file over here. Okay, so link space referral equals style sheet. I named this referral link as style sheet. Then I pointed the referrals file, the static file, this syntax. So by adding this syntax line or this line, the HTML file looks for the CSS file under the, and then acts according to it. So this is the end of the application, and we have finally made our finalized output application. This, if you want to make any changes, you can do it, or you can find any trouble in adding custom changes on your site, you can ping on and comment on the video, and I'll reply to them as fast as I can with the corrections, code corrections. You can even post the code what you have written, or you can go to my GitHub page and post over there. But I'm working on my GitHub homepage,